Okay, referring to the figure, we have a circuit right here. The equation for the currents leaving the node B is the equation for the currents leaving the node B. So let's look at node B, which is actually right here, correct? Okay, we have this current flowing into node B, negative 2 amps. We have some current which will go this way. We will have some current which will go this way, correct? Now, current moving in this direction and in this direction tells that the potential at VB is going to be higher compared to those of VA and VC, because current always travels from positive to negative, and therefore VB would have higher potential. So the current flowing in this resistor right here, which is basically current leaving the node VB, right? The node VB. What does KCL states? KCL states that current entering the node, in this case we are looking at node B, which is this middle node, equals current leaving the node. So this is current leaving, which is going to be VB minus VA over 1 ohm, correct? We also have this current leaving, correct? Node B. This is going to be plus VB minus VC over 2 ohms, because the resistor value is 2 ohms. So these are the two currents which were leaving. Current leaving equals to current entering. What is the current entering the node? That is negative 2 amps, correct? Negative 2 amps. Okay, alright, we're gonna do a little bit of math here, further simplify this equation. So VB minus VA plus 0.5 VB minus 0.5 VC equals to negative 2, correct? Now 1 VB plus 0.5 VB, that makes 1.5 VB, correct? And negative 1A minus 0.5, well, we only have negative 1 VA here, so this will be just negative 1 VA and plus, and then we have negative 0.5 VC equals to negative 2, and that's the equation we were looking for.